My name is Boan. I'm a associate professor in the School of Computer Science and Engineering, NTU. So I'm doing research in artificial intelligence, multi-agent systems, reinforcement learning, computation game theory, and optimization. So I'm doing more use-inspired research. So the research problems are driven by real-world applications. So we are trying to model those important problems and try to develop efficient algorithms to solve those problems. And in the end, we try to apply those algorithms back to the real-world problems and to make a difference. So we have done some work on applying computational game theory for security. So the setting is we try to come up the most efficient way of scheduling limited security resources to protect infrastructures, like airports, ports, feather the flights, and even wildlife like tiger in the forests in Malaysia and Africa. So we have also done some work on anniversary machine learning, where we try to attack machine learning algorithms and with the objective of improving the robustness of machine learning algorithms. And we have done industrial application of those research in like to help Alibaba to fight against fraud transactions, and lots of other domains. And we have done quite some work on deep reinforcement learning and deep reinforcement learning. And for instance, we collaborated with DD to help them to come up with the best price. We have also been working on AI for urban intelligence in terms of coming up with the best policy for the government to regulate the urban efficiency, such as efficient pricing for ERP as one example, and pricing for taxi service, and pricing and location of EV charging station and so on. And we have been working on games as well, because nowadays game is a good domain for trying new AI algorithms. And everyone knows AlphaGo, those types of sensors. So we won the champion of Microsoft Collaborative AI Challenge, and we also developed the best bridge player in the world last year, which beat the best player in the world over the last 3 years. We also start to work on multiplayer poker, which is still an open program at this moment, and we just had some promising progress on that problem. I guess overall, I'm looking really complex AI problem where the environment is uncertain and there are many players, and they might compete with each other, and the environment is totally open, and the optimization may have to be done in a distributed way. So I guess AI has made a huge progress over the last many years, but still lots of progress are on some kind of toy problems and simple problems. I guess in the future, doing AI research in this more complex problem would be a very important step towards realizing the power of AI. Okay. So in the end, I would like to welcome you to join the School of Computer Science and Engineering, NTU.
Hi, I'm Eric Cambria, Associate Professor at the School of Computer Science and Engineering. Here, with my group, we work on affective computing and sentiment analysis. It's an exciting research field of AI where we don't focus only on IQ, but also EQ, and we apply to different fields of computer science, going from dialogue systems like chatbot with emotional intelligence to social media marketing and other business intelligence applications, but also in the field of healthcare. We work on looking at social media for outbreak management, for example. And then recently we also been working a lot on so-called AI for social good, so working on things like applying sentiment analysis to suicidal ideation detection, but also sexual harassment on social media, and also some projects with the School of Arts to apply affective computing for the visualization of data. So as an AI expert, you'll be very much wanted in the market, because now many companies are looking for data scientists and AI experts. In our context, in our domain, those applications that are most useful are dialogue systems, chatbot, which we try to endow with emotional intelligence and common sense, but also applications in the field of business intelligence, things like social media marketing and recommender systems, and of course healthcare also. Now it's very important for computer science in terms of, for example, monitoring social media for outbreak management. And finally, we are also working on so-called AI for social good. So we look at things like monitoring social media for studying sexual harassment, but also things like suicidal ideation detection, and so on and so forth. So I look forward to you joining us here and work on all these exciting projects. Join us at the School of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hello there, I'm Shafiq Jyoti. I'm an assistant professor with the School of Computer Science and Engineering at NTU. My research areas are natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning, in particular deep learning, which are important subfields of artificial intelligence, or AI. I'm interested in all sorts of NLP problems, ranging from parsing technology to NLP applications like machine translation, text summarization, dialogue systems, and question answering. Yeah, I'm also leading the NLP group at Salesforce here. So we just opened a brand new research lab, Salesforce Research Asia, and I'm leading the NLP group there. And we are working on interesting NLP applications like dialogue systems, machine translation, and sentiment analysis, and also question answering. All my research are driven by industry needs. You can think of applications of machine translation, dialogue systems, question answering in all the industry platforms. Like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, all are investing a lot in machine translation or in dialogue systems. Yeah, if you're interested to know more, come and join us at School of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hey, hello there. I'm Sino, professor with the School of Computer Science and Engineering. So my research area of interest is machine learning. Then first of all, what is machine learning? Machine learning is actually a sub-area of artificial intelligence, AI. So the motivation of machine learning is from how human beings learn from examples, experience, and exercise. So suppose if you want to teach a baby to recognize what is a cat, then you can present many examples in terms of images of cats to the baby, and then the baby can automatically recognize the patterns of cats, and then he is able to recognize what is a cat. Okay, so based on this observation, then researchers in machine learning try to focus on the development of computer programs that can teach themselves automatically from data and then change when exposed to new data. So this is the fundamental motivation of machine learning. And as you may note, nowadays in the job market of IT sector, the most popular position is data scientist. And now machine learning has become the primary mechanism for data science. Okay, so more specifically, machine learning has been applied to many vertical domains. So for example, in manufacturing, machine learning has been applied to improve the design of engines. And also in e-commerce, machine learning has already been used to design recommender systems to recommend products to different users. And more examples include search engine and machine translation. And more recently, some people has already explored how to apply machine learning to do investment in banking. Okay, so I guess most of the students believe the most important technique in computer science is programming. However, the foundation behind machine learning actually is mathematics. So therefore, besides programming, to deeply understand machine learning techniques, the student need to have strong mathematical backgrounds. Okay, so such mathematical background includes probability theory, linear algebra, calculus, optimization, and so on. I look forward to seeing you in School of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hi there, my name is Xavier Bresson. I am a professor of computer science in the School of Computer Science Engineering at NTU. So I'm French. I've been in Singapore for 3 years with my family. I would like to welcome you and also wish you the best for the next stage of your career. So I've been working in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this is a very hot topic now because basically AI and machine learning, they are disrupting many industries, and they will disrupt even more industry in the coming decade. So I think also this is also very exciting opportunities for new students because there will be new jobs creating in the coming years, and jobs that will be more creative than the job that we have today. So I think joining NTU and the university is very important because this is the way that you will acquire new skills to be able to adapt to the new jobs. So the future is bright for you because you are, still, in the educational system, you will learn and you will be able to get new jobs and very good jobs in the future. So I've been working my research field, more precisely, I've been to do recommender system. So if you are companies like Facebook, Twitter, Alibaba, all the big companies, you need recommender system. This is the way that you generate money and revenue. So I've been working with people in industry to basically improve recommender system, how you get better recommendations. So that's something very useful. Also, I've been working on drug design. So last week, actually, there was the first announcement that AI was able to produce the best antibiotic in the world. And this will also be very important for healthcare and the future. We need better drugs, better medication, and this is something that we will get with AI. So these are, potential application of my research, and also I welcome you to be part of the AI and machine learning community to improve society. All right, so I wish you all the best for the next stage of your career, and I welcome you, and I wish to see you soon at the School of Computer Science Engineering at NTU. Thank you very much.